Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Natasha, and if you are new here, welcome. Today I'm super excited because I'm doing something pretty different to what I normally do. So today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about a brand called Bondi Boost. I'm sure you guys have heard about it. They're all over Instagram at the moment, all over YouTube. I've seen so many before and afters. So when they reached out to me for this video to send me their whole range to try out, I was so excited because those of you that follow me know how much I hate my short hair. Like right now, I have extensions in, but when my hair is short, I constantly complain. So I'm gonna be doing something a little bit different this time. So I am gonna link a photo of what my hair looked like before I put my extensions in, which was only a couple of weeks ago. As you can see, my tapes are still super fresh up there. The purpose of today's video is that I'm going to be doing my own little experiment. I don't know about you guys, but when I take my extensions out, I always feel like my hair is shorter and thinner than what it was when I first put them in. Like, your hair just looks damaged, and like, I know people are like, oh, it's in your head because you've just had like two full heads of extensions in, that's why it feels so short and thin. But I don't know, I just feel like my hair, it never looks the same as what it did beforehand. Like, it always looks worse. So my little experiment today, or over the next 4 to 6 weeks, taking these products, taking these supplements and using the products on my head, I want to see what my hair will look like after I take my extensions out, and if it does look better than what it was when we put them in. So the products that I'm going to be talking about today are supplements that you take every day, a intensive spray that you can spray on dry or wet hair, an oil that you put in before you shampoo your hair, shampoo and conditioner, and also a mask. So if my hair hasn't grown or gotten thicker once I take my extensions out in 4 to 6 weeks, we're gonna have a problem. So the first product that I'm going to be talking about is the Bondi Boost Hair Growth Support Vegan Capsules. So this is meant to support hair growth based on scientific evidence. And the ingredients of this is vitamin B6, vitamin B12, vitamin C, vitamin E, biotin, folic acid, and zinc, and also silica. So I bought hair supplement tablets, a few months ago now, and I had it in my head that I was gonna take them, and I just kept forgetting, so it didn't really do anything. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this near my kettle, so every morning when I have my coffee, I remember to take them. So with the supplements, you're meant to take 2 a day, and always double check with your healthcare professional if it's okay, if you should be taking them. The next product that I'm going to be talking about is the Bondi Boost Elixir Hair Oil. So with this product, it says you should be using it prior to your shampoo. So apply from the roots to the ends or on dry or wet hair. Leave on for a minimum of 15 minutes, and for optimum results, use weekly. So the main ingredients in this one is Jamaican black castor oil, which is funny enough because I always hear people when they try and make their eyebrows grow, they put on castor oil, so that's already a good sign. They also include coconut oil, almond oil, argan oil, and peppermint oil. Okay, let's see how it smells. Ooh, it's really subtle. Like, you can smell the peppermint just a little bit, but it's super subtle. I hate when something smells too strong, especially if I'm gonna be putting it in my hair, but that smells really nice, really nice. So the Bondi Boost Elixir Hair Oil is Australian made with all natural and organic oils, a pre-shampoo oil treatment that will boost your roots, helping you to achieve your hair to grow faster. So the next product that I'm going to be talking about is the Bondi Boost Intensive Spray. So this one claims that it's Australian made, paraben, sulfate, and DEA free. It's for all hair types, safe for colored hair, and also safe for chemically treated hair. So Bondi Boost Intensive Spray is a highly concentrated leave-in formula packed full of essential actives that rejuvenate and fortify the hair and scalp to boost your roots and help you reach your hair goals. Okay, I feel like this one's gonna smell strong. It actually smells really soft and nice. Like it borderline doesn't have a smell. That's how subtle it is. I love that. You know how some, I don't know about you, but some leave-ins stink. They have like yucky smells, but this smells really soft and pretty. I like that. So the next two products are the Bondi Boost HG shampoo and conditioners, and it does say for best results, you should be using this at least 3 times a week. I probably wash my hair about twice a week, just because especially now with the extensions, it takes so long to dry. It's so annoying, but I do want to get optimum results with this, so I will start washing my hair 3 times a week. Let's see. Let's see how they smell. I can definitely smell the peppermint in the conditioner. It smells so good. Again, it's not like super overpowering, but it smells beautiful. I don't know if you guys have used peppermint smelling shampoo and conditioners before, but you know when you have a mint and you kind of like, you breathe in and you get that nice kind of fresh mint kind of, it's a weird feeling to explain, but you know what I mean. You actually get that on your head. So I'm excited to see if this will give the same effect on the head. So the last product that I'm going to be talking about is the Bondi Boost Miracle Mask. So this claims to contain essential oils, contains organic ingredients, vegan friendly and cruelty free for all hair types, safe for colored hair and safe for chemically treated hair. And what it says, it's a creamy mask bursting with essential oils such as argan oil, jojoba oil, and macadamia oil. The perfect weekly treat to boost your roots and provide essential oils for your hair and scalp. It says to massage a small amount into washed and towel-dried hair, apply evenly from your roots to ends, leave on for a maximum of 15 minutes, and use weekly for a maximum effect. So with like heavy masks and things like that, I tend to steer clear of when I have my hair extensions in. So instead of putting this on my roots to my ends, I will probably focus more on my ends just because I don't want my tape extensions to slip out. If you do have extensions, just double check with your hairdresser if you can use a product like this. I feel like I'm going to be getting enough stimulation from all the other products that this mask, if I just use it on my ends, I think it will be fine. And there we have it, guys. That is the entire Bondi Boost hair range that I will be trialing over the next 4 to 6 weeks. I will definitely keep you updated on how it goes. I'll let you know if any extensions fall out in the meantime or if anything like that happens. If you do want to follow my Instagram page, I will link it below because I will do little updates here and there about my little hair journey. And then when I do take my hair extensions out, I will take photos, I will film a video again and let you guys know how the process goes. I am hoping, fingers crossed, that I do see a nice change when I do take my hair extensions out. If not, then at least we tried. So thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you do want to see more videos from me, and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did enjoy this video. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next one.